The students of class 3, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the English version class for your new mathematics book. Here is the key question is the following tickets will be sold for a cricket match. Number 1, how many packets are there in the box? Number 2, how many tickets are there in total? Here look very carefully in the picture. There are two boxes, and in every box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packets of thousands ticket, and here 3 packets of thousands ticket, and here 4 packets of hundreds packets, and here 2 packets of 10 tickets, and here only there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets. Let's see what does Raju say. How do we count so many tickets? And here Tuli says, I think we can count by groups of 1, 10, 100 and thousands. And here look very carefully. 1000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. There are 10 packets of 1000 in each of the big boxes in the above picture. That means the number of tickets is 10,000 and it is written as 10,000 10000. There are two such boxes in the picture. In these two boxes there are 20,000 tickets altogether. Here Rafi says there are more 3,425 tickets. So here look very carefully. This is the place of ones, and this is the place of tens, this is the place of hundreds, this is the place of thousands, and this is the place of Oyut. Oyut is the new place. Here look carefully. There are two Oyut, I mean 10,000s. There are two 10,000s. In Bengali we say it Ojuts. Let's write here in the blank. 1 and 2. 10,000s are Ojut. And here 1, 2, 3. 3,000s. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. And here 1, 2. 2 tens. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. The number is 23,425, and we write as 23425. 1 Ojut is 10,000. 1 Ojut is 10,000. remember it. Now another question, how many thousands are there? What is the number? Here count it with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 thousands here. Rafi says, let us count how many 1000 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The number is 10,000 or 1 Ojud. Number is 10,000. Or 1 Ojud. Let's do it. Let us match by drawing lines. Here is the number in figure, I mean in digit, and here is the number in words. So let's match by drawing lines. Number 1, 5305. 5305 here, 5305. So we can draw the line from 1 to this balloon. And number 2, 22,719. 22,000 here, 22,719. This is the number in digit for this number. And number 3, 63,702. 63,000 here, 63,702. And number 4, 99,305. 99,000. This is 99,305. And 51,305. 51,000 here, 51,305. And number 6, 5,503 here, 5,503. We have already drawn all the lines and we have matched all the numbers from number in word to number in digit. Number 2, let us count and write in numbers and words. At first we have to count and then we have to write the numbers in words. At first we have to arrange first. Here look very carefully. 10,000s, I mean 1 ojud. Here 10,000s means ojud, and thousands count here only 1 10,000s, I mean 1 ojud. Here we can arrange here that 1 is only 1 10,000s, and there are 1 2 3 3,000s. Three thousands, and hundreds 1 2 3 4. There are 4 hundreds. And 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens. Three, 4, 5 tens, and 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones. Five ones. So write in digit. Here we have to write these numbers in digit, that 1 ojud 3,400, and 5 tens, I mean 55. 5 tens and 5 ones. So 1 ojud, I mean 1 tens, 1 10,000s, that means 1 ojud. And here we have to say 1 ojud and 3,000 means 13,000. So we can say 13,455. And inverse we have to write 13,400 455. $13,455. And here arrange the card very carefully. There are 1,000. The number of 1,000 is 1 2 3 4. So we have to write 4 1,000s place. 4 1,000 in thousands place. And now 100 place. 1 2 3 4. 4 hundreds. $400. And here tens are 1 2 3 4. Only 4 tens. and ones are 1 2 3 4, 4 ones. Write in digit. So we can write these numbers in digit. We have to write in thousands place 4, hundreds in hundred place 4, in tens place 4, and ones place 4. So the number is 4444. Here in words, 4444. Here the number in word is 4444. Question number 3. Let us count and write in numbers. Here, look very carefully. In ones place, 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 ones. So here we have to write 5. And here 1 2, 2 tens. Here we have to write 2. And here 1 2 3 4, 4 hundreds. So here we have to write 4. And here 1 2 3, 3 thousands. We have to here write 3. And here 1 ozut. So we have to write here 1. And the number is 1 3 4 2 5. Here we have to say ozut and thousands together 13. So the number is 13,424. 25. 13,425. Number 4. Let us count and write in numbers. Here look very carefully. In ones place there are 1 2 3 4, 4 numbers, so we have to write here 4. And here in tens place 1 2 3, 3 tens, so we have to write here 3. And in hundreds place there is no number, so we can write here 0. We have to write here 0. And here 1 2 3 4, there are 4 thousands. And here 1 2 3, 3 ozut. So the number is 3,000, 3 ozut 4,000, I mean 34,000. Here we have to say the number ozut and thousands together. So we have to say 34,000, 34. Which digit is in the hundreds place? In the hundreds place, 0 is the hundreds place. 0 digit is in the hundred place. What is the number? Number 5. What is the number? Here look very carefully. There are 2 ozut. 1 2 3, 3,000. I mean we can say ozut and thousands together 23,000. 23,000. 1 2 3 4 5, 500. 1 2 3 4 5 tens, and 1 2 3 4 ones. So we can say 23,554. 23,554. Now let's solve this problem. Number 6, let us write in digit. Oh, here we can write in digit. Look very carefully. Let us write in digit here. At first, question number 1. We can write here. Look very carefully and read it. 9,990. 9,000. In thousands place we have to write 9, and then 900 in 100 place we have to write 9, and then 90 we have to write 90 in tens and one place. 90, 9 and 0, 90. So 9,990 is equal to 9990. Number 2, 9,099. 9,099. So we have to write 9 in thousands place, and then 99. We have to write 9 and 9 in tens and nines place, but there is no digit in hundreds place, so we have to use 0 in hundreds place, and then we have to write 99, 9 and 9 in the tens and ones place. So 9,099 is equal to 9099. Question number 3. Look very carefully. 10,000. Here in the place of thousands we have to write, in the place of thousands we have to write 10. I mean 10,000 is equal to 1 ujut. So we have to write 1 in ujut's place, and there is no digit in thousand, hundreds, ones and tens place, so we have to use here 0 0 0 0, and this is 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and ujut. Now question number 4. Ten thousand 10. Here 10,010. Here I have already written 10,000, but we have to write here 10,010. So in 10,000, 10,000 means 1 ojud. So in ojud place we have to write 1, and then thousands place is 0, and hundreds place there is no hundred place, so we have to use 0, and then 10. So 10 is 1 tens place. We have to write tens place. In tens place we have to write 1, and then in ones place we have to write 0. So 10,010 is equal to 1 0 0 1 0. Number 5. Here look very carefully and read it very carefully. 13,532. Here 13,000 means 1 3 13 thousands. So 1 is ojud and 3 is thousand. So in ojud place we have to write 1, and thousands place we have to write 3. That means 13,000, and then 500. In 100 place we have to write 5, and then 32 3 and 2. So we have to write 3 in tens place and 2 in ones place. 13,532. Number 6. We have to carefully read. 26,837. Here 26,000. So 26,000 is equal to 2 ojud and 6,000. So in ojud place we have to write 2, and in thousands place we have to write 6. 26, here 26,000, and then 800 we have to write now 8 in hundreds place, and then only 2 places are remaining, that is tens and ones, and here we have to write 37. 37 means 3 and 7. So 3 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. So the number is 26,837. And now question number 7. Let us read and write in words. Read and write in word. Let's read and write. At first, problem number 1, we can write it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and ojut. Here ojut and thousands make thousands, that is 11 thousands. 11 thousands. 11,000. Here 200. 200 and 3 and 8, 38. 38. And here problem number 2. Problem number 2, here look very carefully. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands and ojut. So here we have to say ojut and thousands together, and that is 1 and 7, 17. 17,000. 800. 805. And the third problem is here look very carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and ojuts. So 1 ojut and 9,000 means 19,000. 100 and 11. Here we say 11 and the problem 4 is equal to ones, tens, hundred, thousands and ojut. So we can say 1 and 3, 1 ojut and 3,000 means 13,000. 300. $59. And now problem number 5. Problem number 5 is equal to, look very carefully, ones, tens, hundred, thousands and ojut. Here Wujud and thousands together is called 15,000, is called thousand, and that is 15,000s. 15,000, 100, 153, 'And now problem number 6. Inverse. 7 is ones, 3 is in tens, 5 is in hundreds, 7 is in thousands, and 2 is in wujuds. So we can say 2 and 7, 27,000. $27,000, 500, 537, by the problem 6 we have already finished 6 problems, and by this solution of problem 6 we have already finished our today's video, and thank you very much for watching. Keep watching for the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.